Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use one Zoom meeting link for all your online coaching sessions. This is incredibly useful if you're a coach, consultant, or educator who meets with multiple clients regularly and wants to simplify scheduling by using the same meeting link every time rather than creating new links for each session. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your meeting settings and preferences. After you've logged in, look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll see several menu options. Click on My Account and then select Settings from the options that appear. This will take you to the main settings area where you can customize how your Zoom meetings function. This section is crucial because it controls everything from security features to meeting defaults. Now that you're in the settings area, navigate to the Meeting tab at the top of the page. You'll see a long list of various meeting options and toggles. Scroll down carefully until you find the option labeled Use Personal Meeting ID (PMI) when starting an instant meeting. This setting is the key to using a single consistent link for all your sessions. Go ahead and toggle this option on. By enabling this, you're telling Zoom to always use your personal meeting ID instead of generating random meeting IDs each time. Next, click on Profile from the left menu. This will take you to your personal profile page where your account information is displayed. Here you'll find your unique personal meeting ID, which is the permanent link you'll be sharing with all your coaching clients. You might need to click the Show button first to reveal your full PMI details depending on your security settings. Once your personal meeting ID is visible, copy the link that's displayed on your profile page. This is your permanent meeting room link. Think of it like having a dedicated office space that your clients can always visit at the same address. You can now share this single PMI link with all your coaching clients. They can bookmark it, save it in their calendars, or keep it in their notes. And they'll always be able to join your sessions using the same link. And that's it. You've successfully set up a single Zoom meeting link that you can use for all your online coaching sessions, making scheduling and joining meetings much simpler for both you and your clients. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.